This is the TNT transmitter, 1929 style build. And believe it or not, this transmitter was purchased at the West Coast Military Radio Collectors Meet, which happened about a month ago. It was built by W6DJX, Delta Japan X-Ray. Hank. Hank is 94 years old and still with us. And it is a pleasure to be able to be playing with his TNT reproduction. It's a fantastic transmitter. I just put a Type 10 tube in the circuit, lit it up with 7.5 volts to get the filament going on my power supply. And I am using the Heathkit regulated power supply. It's set for 350 volts. I found that I couldn't set it at the full 500 volts because it runs out of gas current-wise. At 350, it's just in regulation. Let's see if we can key the TNT. Remember, a TNT is a tuned, not tuned oscillator. It uses a rather low Q coil on the grid side and a high Q tuned circuit on the plate side. We're taking the power out through this link. Now, if it was at the full 500 volts that typically they ran these at, off a motor generator set usually, but by 1930s they were starting to use AC power supplies, so through a transformer and a rectifier and a capacitor, choke, whatever. But I am running it on the Heathkit regulated supply at 350 volts, so lower power. I'm getting out 4 or 5 watts. Believe it or not, even at this low voltage of 350 volts. Let's listen to Hank's transmitter. This is a free running oscillator. It's doing over 4 watts output power with 350 volts on the plate. An amazing piece. Frequency, 3.550 megahertz in the 80 meter band. That's about in the middle of the tuning range on the capacitor. Stand by for a full-length video on this transmitter. A wondrous build and really tremendously stable from Hank W6DJX.